Hey everybody, it's Cy. Welcome to another Plan with Me. It's the beginning of the year, so I am constantly busy with making new little planner things, and I thought I would show you now how I've been doing my sort of daily stuff. So, as you know, if you watched my previous video, that was talking about, what worked and what didn't. One of the things that didn't was using my travel notebooks in this diary. I thought it was too clunky, and I wanted to have my dailies as regular loose leaf sheets. So I'll show you what I've done. Now, this is my January tab down here, and the first thing you see is the month to view. I haven't really decorated it much this month, just I've got a lot going on. So, I mean, I can always doodle in the margins if I really feel like it, but at the moment, I'm just quite happy for it to be as it is. I wrote January in 3 different ways, and I haven't got a lot going on, as you can see. Lockdown, everybody. Anyway, if we move on, we turn the page from there. I've got a clip here, and that opens to whatever the current week is. And so I've got my little, what we call date covers, which are the days of the week and the date. And I've got these really cute little stickers by beingbethanyrose.com. They're teeny tiny little water bottles, and they're so cute, and I love them. They're just the perfect size. So go find them. So this is the same for all the weeks. I've got plenty of different colors of date covers, and I got them from, let me have a look. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't know what they're called. Oh, Ickle and Co. Oh, they're the ones that make these, and they make them in so many colors, and they're really cute. As it happens, I have started making my own, so I'm going to use these up. But if I feel like it, I might grab them again from them because these are very useful and just the right size for me. So I've got my weekly week to view here, and it's separated into 8 different squares, and the last square is for what I call weekly wins. And that's just, what are you proud of for this week or grateful for or whatever. So as the week goes on, you write things that you're incredibly happy about, and hopefully, when things aren't so great, you can look back on your weekly wins and say, well, hey, this happened. So this is what I've got, and I have actually sorted it all out up to February. So this is the first bit of February because it needs to be in here because the other side is still the end of January. So once that month is gone, I will take this out and I will put it into my February divider. So I've got my February month to view ready to fill in. And I have started where I left off. And I think I've only gone up to the 11th, and then I've drawn some squares in here. How do I make new ones? Well, I thought I'd make it really easy on myself, and instead of like having to get the ruler out and all that business, I don't like that. I like to keep it simple. So I've got a template. So I punched the holes in the template, and I've just left it here. So let's see. All right, let's pick a color. I don't know. Let's do pink. Okay, so this week, this is a weekly spread here. It's all open like that, right? I'm just going to trace it. And I can do this, and when I'm done, I just move it to where I need it to be. This is only made with a couple of pieces of cardstock stuck together. So you can really just cut any bit you want and just do this. But eventually the ink is going to go through probably, and it's going to make it a bit hard to use, so I'll just whip up another one. And it might even be better next time because I cut this freehand as well. So it's a little bit wiggly. But I don't care because that's as long as it took me to measure out my little squares for the week. And then all I do is I take it out, close it back up, turn the page, open it up, stick it back in, and I'm ready for the next week. But all I do is I write the dates onto the sticker sheet as they're sitting there in a row in the correct order. And then I just stick them on and add the little water things. And I tend to keep mine right back here in the sticker pocket, which I made sometime last year for the video. And I've still got more of these lovely water trackers to stick on as well. So I'm just I basically, if I've got a spare minute while I'm hanging out, where maybe in a waiting room in a doctor's office or something like that, I can just do that. I can just outline, stick some stickers down, and it keeps me entertained while I'm waiting for whatever it is. So, any way that you can find to make your diary a bit more fun, like to get your prep time into little bubbles of time that you would ordinarily just be staring at your phone, this is a good way to do it. Quick one today, I'm sure, but enjoy and stay tuned for more from my diary. This has been Plan with me. I've been Sai, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.